Okay, friends, Indian Club. This is one that I made. We're going to do a lengthy little sequence showing you a lot of variations. So here's a shield cast. Now, if we do a shield cast with a tactical lunge to a backhand shift, shield cast, tactical lunge, backhand shift, then we'll do a cast back, catch, cast back, catch, then we reverse it, so you can build up patterns. Let's take a look at the one I just did. So we can come back a few times. Then we go in the opposite direction. So we cast it twisting in the other way. Then we can cast back and do the shift. Cast back and do the shift. So there's all these sorts of variations you can do. So let's take a look at a cast out that takes us into the slasher. So you've got all kinds of hand shifts going on. It's great for your neurology. Then let's take a look at do a bullwhip with a step back and a cast, bullwhip, step back and a cast. Then if we go the opposite direction, so here we start off with a regular bullwhip, but then step back here, and that leads us into a swipe. So we do our bullwhip, step back same leg, and cast that way. Notice what the difference is, and you'll see it better from the side. So this is opposite leg. You see that this is a shield cast. I take that back, not a shield cast. It's a salute cast. Then if you go same side, it's a swipe. You can also vary this by taking a longer step back good little move. All right, so then let's take a look at a standard Carlicati type move. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with hand shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a hand shift. All right, then we can just do a basic big hand front circle. So do a big one. All right, and back to your guard position. So we can also do something just around the body pass. Looking for variations of ways to use your clubs, especially when you're just using one club. So you get to do all these different backhand shifts, front hand shifts, different ways. Reverse it. All right, now, how about another one? This is a good thick handle. that I made on this club. So makes this a little bit more challenging. And backhand shift. So this gives us the elbow cast. All right, then we can do here and up and backhand shift. Up and backhand shift. Up. So this is the torch position. By the way, all these are great for digital dexterity as well. All right. So then our next variation, we're going to come up, draw this down, and push it up to the torch. We'll drop back down and push up to the torch. Backhand shift. Yeah. Torch. Now there's also flag. Flag. So this is more of a grind. So a swing and a grind it out. Now you can also do this flag from the side. So you just do that little hold. And each one of these movements gives you all kinds of options, all sorts of opportunities to explore different dimensions, different planes within your practice. So let's look at a couple more. Here, we just flip it up. We're going to take it out and step out. Do a hand shift out. We can come this way in. There's lots of ways that you can use your clubs. Explore them. Make up your own moves. Make up your own sequences. And most of all, make it fun.